The Garland Independent School District exists as a diverse community with a shared vision that serves to provide an exceptional education to all its students. We have high expectations for everyone because each person is worthy of reaching their highest potential. High expectations affirm the dignity of the individual by calling them to be the best they can be. Anything less would sell them short. But we can only do it together. We won't go to the next level unless we are an inclusive community, because communities of exclusion are limited in nature, falling short of our call to reach all students. We truly believe we are better together. But how will we ensure we stay the course? How will we steward this community in such a way that everyone wins? Our multivariate plan contains key components to help us build strong engagement, expectations, and relationships in order to create and sustain meaningful diversity. This is where we'll find a robust learning experience for all. In most districts, attendance zones determine where students will attend school. Our Choice of School program allows parents to select the campus they want their children to attend for the next school year. Strong schools with unique programs attract a broad range of students to each one of our 72 campuses. GISD is committed to a diverse faculty that is equipped to develop and steward the positive aspects of a diverse and harmonious community. We must exemplify that which we hope to inspire in others. As a part of an agreed-to legal order, the Multi-Ethnic Committee convenes to discuss such topics as facilities, freedom of choice, human resources, and transportation. Further, GISD provides biannual reports to the U.S. District Court for the Northern District of Texas to ensure accountability in our efforts as we endeavor to promote and maintain a diverse community. We do this because we are better together. A critical component in all of this is what's known as the Desegregation Order. The Desegregation Order allows us to be intentional, providing a pathway to follow so that GISD doesn't unintentionally backslide into a segregated learning community. Desegregation requires an ongoing commitment. The research is very clear that without a structure designed to foster an integrated community, resegregation is not only possible in our time, but probable. The components of the order were designed not only to end segregation, but to prevent it from happening again. Imagine a dam. From one perspective, it holds back the water, but from another perspective, it holds everything together, creating a new landscape working in harmony for the good of all. If the form does not hold, if the dam breaks, the floodwaters will burst forth, destroying that which was painstakingly curated. The order is our dam, and by remaining under the desegregation order, we are declaring that we will not allow the dam to give way. The order provides a good working framework that helps us record and preserve our guidelines and subsequent actions, which then leads to accountability and improvement. It allows for flexibility to adapt to changing needs and helps to ease the burden of an ongoing process. Nobody wants to talk about modern-day segregation. Some feel it's a problem that's already been resolved, while others might feel it's easier to ignore than confront because it's too uncomfortable to consider. But we are committed to our community. We will remain diligent so as not to fall back into the old patterns of segregation that have befallen other districts in recent years. The research is clear. Having no plan inevitably leads to resegregation. So think of the desegregation order as our integration plan. We believe every student can learn, and every student deserves our best. We value celebrate and respect all students, their families, and their cultures. And we do it together because we are better together.